Sahih Al-Bukhari 3173, narrated Sahal bin Abi Hasama radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Abdullah bin Sahal and Muhaisa bin Mas'ud bin Zaid radiyallahu ta'ala anha set out to Khyber, the inhabitants of which had a peace treaty with the Muslims at that time. They parted, and later on Muhaisa came upon Abdullah bin Sahal and found him murdered, agitating in his blood. He buried him and returned to Medina. Abdul Rahman bin Sahal, Muhaisa and Huwaisa, the sons of Mas'ud radiyallahu ta'ala anha, came to the Prophet sallallaho alaihi wasallam, and Abdul Rahman intended to talk, but the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, "Let the eldest of you speak." As Abdul Rahman was the youngest, Abdul Rahman kept silent, and the other two spoke. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "If you swear as to who has committed the murder, you will have the right to take your right form." The murderer, they said, "How should we swear if we did not witness the murder or see the murderer?" Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Then the Jews can clear themselves from the charge by taking al-aska and oaths taken by men that it was not they who committed the murder." They said, "How should we believe in the oaths of infidels?" So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself paid the blood money of Abdullah radiallahu ta'ala anha. See Hadith number 36, volume 9. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3174, narrated Abdullah bin Abbas radiallahu ta'ala anha, that Abu Sufyan bin Harb informed him that Heraclius called him and the members of a caravan from Quraysh who had gone to Sham as traders during the truce which Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam had concluded with Abu Sufyan and the Quraysh infidels. Al-Bukhari 3175, narrated Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha, once the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was bewitched, so that he began to imagine that he had done a thing which in fact he had not done. Like and subscribe my channel for more of these videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.